Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Esther. Welcome back to ST Global's channel. And on this channel, we share a sewing tutorial videos for you to watch and learn how to cut and sew dresses for yourself. So welcome back. So this is the top we are going to be making. This is a kimono crop top. As you can see, it is very beautiful. You can add it to your ready to wear business. You can add it to your business. You can even make it for yourself and go out for your casual date, for church service. But for you to use for church service, you have to wear a high waist trouser or skirt. So let's get to work. So this is the fabric we are going to be using. This is less than 1 yard. This fabric is very small. As you can see, it's not equal the way we cut it to make the cloth that was made with this dress. And then instead of just throwing it away, I decided to use it for this top. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and fold it and then into two, and then you're going to refold it again. That is into 4. We are cutting the front and the back together. So the length of this is just 19. What I have here is 19. It is not long. It's not up to 20. So I have to cross check to check if everywhere is equal to make sure that I'm not making a mistake. So I've checked it. Every part of this is equal. So the next thing, you're just going to go ahead and mark your neck width. So I'm using the neck width of 4, and then I'm going to come down to mark my neck depth. For the back piece, I'm using 1. Remember, the width is 4, the back, and then the depth is 1. And then the next thing, you're going to go ahead and mark the neck depth for the front. I'm using 7. So I'm going to use a V-neck. As you see in the video, is a V-neck crop top. Are you guys following? Please, if you have any question, go ahead and ask in the comment section. The next thing, you're going to divide your shoulder by 2, and then you're going to go ahead and cut it. And then you're going to, as you can see, the top is a cut and join, like it's a cut together top. So you're just going to go ahead and extend your sleeve, like it's a cut together sleeve. You're going to go ahead and extend it. So I'm using 12 here because I have to cross check to make sure that everything was equal. And then I came down to mark my armhole depth. So I use 10. So you can use the same thing, and then I mark it. The next thing is to divide your bust into 4, and then I added about 6 inches to it, and then I mark it. And then the next thing, I came down to my waistline to mark my waist measurement divided by 4, and then I added about 4 inches to it. And then the next thing is just to go ahead and connect it, just as you see me do in this video. Please, you guys, if you have any question, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. And if you have any video you want me to make for you, go ahead and drop the picture in our community post. Go ahead and post it there, and then the next thing, go ahead and cut it out. So you guys, as you can see, I only cut out the back neck depth. I did not cut out the front. So for you to cut out the front, because we are not going to cut out the shoulder, so you're going to go ahead and open it up like this, and then you're going to go ahead and cut out the front, which is the V neck line. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So the next thing, we're going to go ahead and cut out our facing. Our facing, we're going to just cut out exactly the same way we cut out the main fabric. It's just that the length is going to be small. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out like that, and then I'll bring it back to show you guys. So this is the fabric we are using. As you can see, the main fabric was very small, so I have to use this black fabric. So I folded it exactly the same way we folded the main fabric, as you guys can see in this video. I went ahead to cross check my back neck depth to make sure that everything is accurate, and then I marked my front neck depth, and then I went ahead to cut out the back neck depth, and then I went ahead to form the front neck depth. So the next is to go ahead and cut it out, just as you see me do in this video. So you guys, the next thing, we're going to just go ahead and start sewing it. So to sew it, you're going to go ahead and place it like this, front side facing each other. If you want your back, this back to be in the front, you're going to start sewing from the inside, so that when you turn it to come to the front. But if you want it to be inside, so you have to put it on top of your right side. You're going to make it the front side facing each other. Then you're going to go ahead and cut it, and then sew it. And then when we are done, we'll bring it back. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing, we're just going to go ahead and hem the the sleeves. I'm going to go ahead and bend it, and then I will bring it back to show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. I just bend it in by 1 inch, and then as you can see, it is very beautiful. So you guys, this is what our top looks like. As you can see, it is very easy to make, and if you have any question, please do not forget to ask us. So the next thing, you're going to go ahead and then stitch down from the sleeve all the way to your hemline. You're going to stitch it down by 1 inch. As you can see, this is a free crop top, so you have to stitch it down by 1 inch. And then this is it. I've gone ahead to stitch the both sides. So the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and hem the hemline. I'm going to also hem it by 1 inch. So you're going to go ahead and open it. Please, if you have light, you can as well press it down first before you went ahead to stitch it on your sewing machine. So if you have light, go ahead and press it down before you stitch it. So we're going to be hemming it by, we are going to bend it by 1 inch, and then this is it. I'm just going to go ahead and hem it all the way around. And you guys, this is what our dress looks like. So this is it, and it is very beautiful. You guys have already seen the outcome, what it looks like in the beginning of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. So the next is to go ahead and iron it and make everything look very perfect and beautiful. Thank you for joining us in today's class, and thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe, do well to watch, do well to comment. And if you want to put elastic, you can go ahead and add elastic to it, so that when you wear it, it's going to be like this. But for me, I'm not going to add elastic. As you guys can see, the dress came out very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye.